Welcome back to Botronix Labs. In this module, we're going hands-on to learn how to control output and read input using MicroPython on a Raspberry Pi Pico. Before we begin, make sure you have the following items ready. Raspberry Pi Pico or Pico W, a 7-segment common cathode display, a push button, breadboard and jumper wires. We'll wire up a 7-segment display to the Pico and use a push button to increment a counter from 0 to 9. The display updates each time the button is pressed. Now let's wire it up. First, connect segments A through G of the 7-segment display to GPIO pins on the Pico. In our project, we're using GPIO 0 to GPIO 6. Next, connect the common cathode pin of the display to GND. Then wire the push button to GPIO 7. Add a pull-down resistor if your button module doesn't already include one. Check the pinout diagrams on screen to verify your connections. Now open Thonny and write the following MicroPython code. The line current_digit equals current_digit plus 1, %10 increases the number by 1 and resets it to 0 after 9. That's a common trick in embedded programming. Once uploaded, press the button and you'll see the number increment on the display. Nice work. That wraps up Module 2. You've now interfaced both push-button and 7-segment LED display devices using MicroPython. Join us in the next module, where we'll explore more input and output devices. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to support Botronix Labs and keep learning.